Golden promises blot the sky. Offer life, deliver lies. To the slaughter go to feed. On this fodder mankind bleeds. Cheap and quick, not meant to last. Get your swag and grab it fast. Trinkets sold as gifts worth gold. Lack of value does unfold. Push and shove, stab in the back. Treachery there is no lack. Duplicitous and two-faced. Selfishness controls our race. Human beings as stepping stones. Each a queen who uses drones. Apathy rather than hate. Human dross exfoliate. Inherent or just training. Devilish gene of evil strain. Cain's mark ever on our heads. Burden carried until dead. Preachers call for peace and love. Extol olive branch and dove. Ecumenical embrace. On deafened ears, words are waste. Yahweh, Jesus, Allah save. 6,000 years, still our knaves. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Sermons left on dusty shelves. Education, a way out. Push path to travel, more devout. Learn a way not based on fear. Rise up and hold others dear. British force or higher call. Ancient question taunts us all. Base actions to which we sink. Stench of maggots, awful stink. Question of 1,000 eons. Humankind or merely pawns? Will we ever learn to trust? Or ever parry and thrust?